In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a delivery address on a Xero invoice. Whether you're new to Xero or just looking to refresh your knowledge on handling invoices, this guide is tailored to provide you with clear step-by-step instructions to ease your invoicing process. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Xero website. Once there, you'll find a login button located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this button will prompt you to enter your credentials. Carefully type in your email and password associated with your Xero account. Make sure you're entering the correct details to avoid any unnecessary login issues. After successfully entering your login details, click on the login button to access your Xero dashboard. Now you're in. The next step is to go to the business section. You can effortlessly locate this option within your dashboard. It's designed to take you directly to where you need to manage your invoices among other business-related functionalities. Inside the business section, you'll find the invoices option. Click on this to view your invoice management panel. Here, Xero allows you to see both incoming and outgoing invoices, giving you a straightforward way to manage your business finances. Now, to add a new invoice, you look for the New Invoice button. Clicking this creates a new invoice document where you can fill in the details of the transaction you're processing. This step is crucial as it forms the base of the billing document you'll send to your client or customer. After creating a new invoice, it's time to type in your recipient's details. Here you'll enter the name or details of the business or individual you're billing. Once you input this information, click on your recipient's name again to ensure the details are correctly selected and ready for editing. Next, you'll see an Edit button, which allows you to modify the details of the invoice. This functionality is particularly useful for adding or changing information before finalizing your invoice. Upon clicking Edit, look for the Add Delivery Address option. It's here where you can input the specific delivery details pertinent to the invoice at hand. Take your time to correctly fill in the delivery address to ensure there are no mishaps in delivering your service or product. With the delivery address now part of your invoice, make sure to double check all the information entered for accuracy. When you're satisfied, click on the Save button. This action updates your invoice, officially including the delivery address in the document. But it's not over yet. It's always a good idea to revisit the dashboard to ensure everything is in order. So head back to the dashboard by clicking the appropriate option. Once there, you might feel the need to delve into settings or further personalize your Xero experience according to your business needs. Interestingly, you'll notice an option called Xero to Xero within the settings. This feature can be particularly handy for businesses working in tandem, or if you're looking to streamline processes between different departments or sister companies using Xero. By clicking the Xero to Xero option, you can explore functionalities designed to make intercompany transactions smoother and more efficient. Finally, the Copy option found within the Xero to Xero settings allows you to duplicate settings or transactions, saving you precious time and effort, especially when handling recurrent invoices or standard transactions between your businesses or branches. And there you have it, step by step, from logging in to copying settings within the Xero to Xero functionality. Remember, the key to effective invoice management in Xero lies in understanding these steps and utilizing them to suit your business's unique needs. With this guide, we hope you found clarity and ease in adding a delivery address to your Xero invoice and exploring the functionalities that Xero offers to streamline your invoicing process. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check back for more helpful guides designed to make your business management tasks a breeze.